The Bitcoin beast that's trading below its own BTC holdings. Welcome back to How to Crypto. Today, we're diving into MSTR, the single most explosive way to own Bitcoin right now. This stock is literally trading for less than the Bitcoin it already holds. Let's break it all down in the next 5 minutes. First, what is MSTR? MicroStrategy, now Strategy Inc., started as a boring software company. Since 2020, Michael Saylor turned it into the world's biggest corporate Bitcoin treasury. Right now, 649,870 BTC at an average buy price of $74,433. At approximately $95,000 Bitcoin, that's $61.7 billion in BTC, while the stock's market cap is only approximately $57 billion. You're literally buying dollars for 92 cents. Why is it so undervalued? Historic 2 to 3 times premium to Bitcoin NAV has collapsed to zero, sometimes even a discount. Wall Street average target, $470, 147% upside from $190. Shorts are covering. Bitcoin's down 24% from ATH, and everyone's crying about dilution. But dilution is the strategy. They convert cheap capital into permanent Bitcoin that accrues to your shares. How do they keep stacking? ATM equity offerings, 0% convertible notes, perpetual preferreds, STRK, 8% converts at $1,000, STRF, 10% fixed, STRC, STRD, etc. Last week alone, $836 million raised, 8,178 Bitcoin scooped at $102,000. That's the 42-42 plan, $84 billion more capital by 2027, all going straight to Bitcoin. The metric that actually matters, BTC yield and sats per share, 2025 YTD Bitcoin yield equals 27.8%. Every share now owns 27.8% more Bitcoin than January 1st. Even after dilution, fully diluted, 311 million shares. Approximately 2.09 million Satoshis per share. $198 in BTC value while the stock sits at $190. Your balance sheet is stacking sats while the ticker is red. And here's the macro kicker. The old 4-year halving cycle is officially dead. 2024 to 2025 was the first cycle where institutions, ETFs, and nation-states front-ran the halving spot Bitcoin ETFs already sucked up 1.1 million BTC in under a year. Supply shock happened early. Now the Fed is cutting again. Global M2 is expanding. Trump's pro-crypto administration is coming in January, and $7+ trillion in money market funds are hunting for yield. Liquidity is about to flood back in, and when it does, Bitcoin rips to new highs, and MSTR, the most leveraged pure play, rips the hardest. The stock's down another 5% today. Sentiment sucks. MNAF under 1 times for the first time ever. Perfect. Every single monster leg up. 2021, late 2023, early 2025 started exactly like this final takeaway. MSTR is leveraged Bitcoin on steroids trading at a stupid discount, printing 27.8% BTC yield, growing your sats every week, right as the macro liquidity fire hose turns back on. If you believe Bitcoin is going to $150,000, $250,000, $500,000 this cycle, owning MSTR below 1 times NAV is one of the highest conviction trades on planet Earth, drop a rocket if you're loading this dip. Smash like, subscribe to How To Crypto, turn on notifications. We only drop bangers, not financial advice, always DIR, keep stacking. See you at the top.